The moment you've been waiting to lock in, to finally take this trading thing seriously, to stop over trading, to stop taking these stupid setups, to start taking your life and your future and your finances seriously is now. All the time you didn't want to lock in, you didn't want to backtest, you didn't want to learn, you didn't want to journal because you were telling yourself, oh, it's gonna be tomorrow. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm gonna do it later. I already took 3 bad trades this week. What's gonna happen if I take another one? Basing your current decision based on your past, or procrastinating because you think the future is gonna be better, putting all your responsibility onto your future self, hoping that he's gonna wake up, right? But the only thing that exists and the only thing that have ever existed that you've experienced all your life, you can stop right now and do this exercise. And you're gonna realize that the only moment that existed in your whole existence, in your whole life, is now. The past, the future have only been concepts of the mind, of your mind, thinking that the future is gonna come, thinking that the past was bad or good, reminiscing on the past. Those things don't exist. The only thing that exists is right now. And the moment you realize this, that the only thing that you can do is now, you're gonna start treating trading very, very differently, because every decision is gonna be based on what is the best possible thing I can do right now. Not based on my past, not based on my future. What is the best chess move that I can make right now, right? And that could be, for you, that could be backtesting. That could be actually figuring out your edge. That could be journaling to start spotting these patterns of over trading, of over analyzing, of not taking your trades when you need to. But something has to happen right now, right? And the moment you realize it, everything is gonna change. Because how you're gonna move towards it, you won't stress about the future because there's no future. There's the present moment. And every move being made by you is going to be tactical. It will be, or have a high chance of being, the best move that you could have made, right? For me right now, it's making YouTube videos and improving my trading over time and documenting the whole thing. For you, it might be different. For you, it might be managing your $1 million portfolio. Or it could be starting to watch ICT or starting to take notes. Like, it's different for everyone. But for you, you need to stop and be like, okay, if I don't take it right now, I am never gonna take it. You need to realize if you don't do the thing right now, you're never gonna do it. So choose wisely. Put your balance in, do I want to have the opportunity to shoot for this great life and actually put time and effort and energy into it, not avoid the work? Or do I want to just be unconscious and procrastinate and let this magical experience of life, and especially the life that I want, just being slipped away like this because I didn't even try? And one day on your deathbed, you're gonna realize, like, oh my God, what if I stopped that day and I actually learned the present moment and how to take action? Because taking action is the only thing to do. You're always gonna take action. It can be good or bad. That's your choice. But you need to take action right now. Not later, not after this video ends. You can literally just stop the video right now. I don't care. Stop the video right now and go start, like, get a journal and write what you need to do, your laundry list. But you need to do it. And if you don't do it, then one day you're gonna realize that it was the worst decision in your entire life, and you would wish that time goes backward, but it won't. This is not to scare you, this is just the truth to become successful and to achieve your dreams. And I'm not saying I achieved all my dreams, blah, blah, blah. I'm 23, but I know how I'm going to achieve them is by taking action, is by always being there, doing the best possible move that I can do right now. And to not just let fear or greed or any of these emotions control me. The only thing that controls me is me. Thank you for watching.